What's your name?
My name is Fabián Fernández Espinosa. My name is Fabián Fernández Espinosa.
How do you spell your family name?
Okay, my family's name spelled F-E-R-N-A-M-D-E-Z. Okay, my family's name spelled F-E-R-M-A-M-D-E-Z. Okay, my family's name spelled F-E-R-M-A-M-D-E-Z.
Where are you from?
Well, I'm from Colombia. Uh, I'm from Colombia, and I'm living in Barranquilla. Okay, I'm from Colombia, and I'm living in Barranquilla.
Are you working or studying at the moment?
In this moment, I'm in both. Okay, in this moment, I'm studying and I'm working as a commercial pilot in airline. Okay, in this moment, I'm studying and I'm working as a commercial pilot in airline.
How interested are you in learning about other countries? How interested are you in learning about other countries? How interested are you in learning about other countries?
Well, for me, it's very important to learn about different cities or culture around the world. And I consider the travels is the best way to learn and know about different countries.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
Okay, for me, the best way to okay, for me, the best way to uh, okay, for me, the best way to spend my free time is share a quality time with my little son, Luciano. I enjoy to go to the cinema and a good restaurant.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
Okay, the best way to improve my English is studying every day, uh, knowing about the grammar, the comprehension, the structure, and listening the language constantly.
If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
Okay, the new skills also are very important. I consider the focus and new topics, for example, the politics, the geography, the investments. Okay, I consider the new skill also is very important for life. For example, I wish to learn about a good investment and real estate, for example. Thank you.